Current affairs, today's headlines, November 3, 2022. India. Ladakh. Zojila Day commemorated at Zojila War Memorial near Dras. To celebrate action by Indian troops in 1948 Operation Bison. PM inaugurates, 3024, EWS flats in Delhi to rehabilitate slum dwellers. Union Cabinet approves naming Hollongi Greenfield Airport in Arunachal Pradesh as Danyi Polo Airport, Itanagar. SEWA, Self-Employed Women's Association. Founder Ella Bhatt dies at 89 in Ahmedabad. Economy and Corporate. Cabinet approves 51,875 crore rupees subsidy for P&K, phosphatic and potassic fertilizers for Rabi season. Cabinet approves higher ethanol procurement price by OMCs, oil marketing companies, for blending. Union Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers Dr. Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated 12th edition of India Chem 2022 with theme, Vision 2030 – Chemicals and Petrochemicals Build India, at New Delhi. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh announces nationwide campaign for submission of digital life certificates, DLC, by pensioners. FIBAC banking conference being organised jointly by FICCI and EBA, Indian banks. Air Asia exits Air Asia India, sells, 16.33%, stake to Air